call them sting bugs now. He got me saying that word.
Yeah.
He's scared of bees, guys. That's what he calls bees. He calls them sting bugs, so I just started calling them sting bugs. Because he gets mad at me and says, they're not bees, they're sting bugs. So I just got tired of him yelling.
That's not the night.
No, stop. I'll tell Mom. I'll tell my mom. He's my little cousin, by the way.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is. Go get my baby.
David it.
Go get my baby.
Little.
I don't know where she is. Go to my mom. Go to my mom's room.
And she, where is the baby at?
My baby is my baby dog. She's almost a year. I don't know. Leave her alone. She is a brown chihuahua. She's named Sugars. My nana gave her to me before she passed away. And everything. My nana had breast cancer and everything, but she named her Sugars and yes, she is. And so my nana said not to change her name, so I never changed her name. Yeah. Leave her alone. Maybe she's asleep already. Let her sleep. Leave her alone. Please not letting my doggy sleep. My baby sleep. I call her my baby because she's my baby. And if anybody is hating on me right now, feel free to talk. Because I really don't care. Because one day it'll come back at you. It's called karma. And really, I don't care what people think. Huh? Oh yeah, guys. I made this slime today.
I have to open it.
That's a pretty good one. It's a very pretty color, but it's really sticky too. But I want to make a slime in Walmart. In Artesia Walmart.
Grab it! Grab it! Over here.
Guys, my slime just fell. Oh man, it got dirty. No. My favorite color. My favorite one, but not my favorite color. It's green. I don't like green. I don't like green. That's Jasmine's first.
And I put this in for.
You see it?
Is that it?
No?
It is.
Where's that going?
No, great. No, that's it.
Where's this going? Oh, she don't care. I almost put my slime inside the other one. So guys, I want to put my slime up. My favorite slime. But it is not my favorite color though. This is just a regular slime, not fluffy slime or anything. This one right here is more like a fluffy slime-ish kind. I'm about to put more shaving cream in it. So, let's get to it. You guys, I told you I was going to put more shaving cream in it. Okay, I'm going to punch the camera like this. Water. Yeah, there's more.
What?
It doesn't matter. Dad, did you want? Never mind. Go shut the door. Dad. But my dad's sick already, guys. So, yeah. We're gonna have to be very quiet right now. Because my dad is asleep. He's asleep. And he don't want no one talking loud. He don't want nothing bothering him or anything. He will come out here and slam the door and everything, be mad, and everything. What?
Bye.
Where are we going? Well, he's saying bye. Sorry.
Say bye to it.
Why?
Because
I ain't turning it off. go put this in the bathroom.
Like, from booty.
I don't want to leave my booty. He gets on my nerves, guys.
But where do you need the pizza dump?
I did it. What do you have in there? Shaving cream.
What?
Go get your shoes before the dog gets them.
So like, as I said, me and Giselle are gonna have a dance off tomorrow since it's already too late. Giselle, go take Jasmine her purse.
You guys need to get ready for bed.
So guys, we are fixing to get ready to bed. After I finish this slime showing you, we are gonna go to bed, or maybe not, or maybe I'll just record another video of watching TV. Sorry. I told him no to get it. He's the one that jumped it all. Okay guys, I'm gonna help him.
Put it in there. Read everything. Oh, why are you doing with that scrapbook? Put everything back in there.
So guys, we are back. And I'm gone again. Now I'm back with these crayons.
It's all yours.
Yes, we are. There's 5 in here.
Say bye, Roy.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye,
Please,
guys.
Nora, follow, subscribe.
Bye. Good night, guys.
Go check me out at Musically. On Musically.
Yeah,
My
me too.
account is. He ain't got no Musically. My account is
You got too.
Martinez4646. May see him on my Musically sometimes. Bye guys. Mwah.
Bye.
See y'all later. Subscribe.